Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to show you guys how to make your own customizable, reusable, eco-friendly planner. So I am a huge planner fan. I love getting my planners, and every year though, I feel like there's never the perfect planner. You know what I mean? Always something is missing. Last year I used the 52 list planner and it was pretty close to being the most darn perfect planner I've ever had, and I was getting ready to buy that again this year. However, what I started noticing towards the end of the year is that I don't really look back anymore. So I have this big bulky planner that I carry with me and look at all the time, but I don't really look back on what I did the past week because I just need to move forward with my life, right? I don't need to see what I did yesterday. I don't need to see what my task lists were last week. They're in the past, they're gone and over with. A few months ago, I ordered this book. It's called the New Yes book. It's a reusable notebook. If you have heard of Rocketbook, it's the exact same thing except it's just cheaper. And I just learned about Rocketbook, so I didn't know that existed. You get some pens that come with it. They're special ones that are erasable pens, and you can write on them, and you can either erase the pen with the eraser of the pen, or you can wipe it away, and then you can keep reusing that book so you don't need paper anymore. And the Frixion pens, they work for it. Oh my gosh, if you haven't used a Frixion pen, they're amazing on this reusable paper and non-reusable paper. Amazing. I'm obsessed. Like the only pens I will use right now. But this year I started really needing to have a daily schedule of what I was gonna do from morning to night because my schedule just kind of got jam-packed. I created one in my New Yes book. I only needed one a day. The next day I wiped it away and then planned my next day out. And then it was like, oh my goodness, I can actually use this New Yes book and make my own planner and customize it to exactly the way I want, and thus making the most perfect planner that I could ever ask for. That's exactly what I did. I've been trying this out, this method. I wasn't sure if it was going to work because new idea for me, and I've been doing it for the past few weeks in the new year here, and it actually has worked wonderful. Oh my gosh, I will never buy another planner ever again because there is no need for it. I literally will only need this one book literally for the rest of my life, and I'm so excited about that. So you would like to see how I set this up and how you also can make your own planner that is reusable, customizable to exactly your needs, and eco-friendly so you can feel good about it, that you're not hurting the environment. Please keep watching. So there's going to be a few things on what you need to make this. So again, you're going to need this New Yes planner. I think this was an 80-page one that came with lined pages. You can get the Rocketbook as well. I'll link this down below. And this, yeah, so you can get this. I don't know if they have any plain version, just this lined version. So it comes with 2 of these pens. So these are erasable pens. These are the New Yes pens. But these pens, oh my goodness, yes, you got to get these. These are Frixion pens. Even if you don't use this planner, you should get these pens. They're amazing. You can only use these type of pens in these books. You cannot use a regular pen, and so I bought a bunch of these and stored them in this cup. And then I wanted some colored ones as well to help me with my planning, but I didn't want to pay the expensive Frixion price. So here's some knockoff Frixion ones. They work okay. Like some of them don't have as strong as ink as the other ones. Some of them work great, but they come with these replacement cartridges. So that's really awesome that they gave that to me. And again, so you can take this and all you do is take a wet cloth, wipe it away, and literally it's gone, or you just erase it, and it erases so well. Like it's so clean, you would never even know that there was anything there. There is a little bit of imprinting onto the page, but overall, again, it looks really brand new. And so this is optional, but the first thing I did was decorate the book as I please. So this is, since I'm planning for this to be my forever planner, I wanted to be pretty. So I got this marble contact paper and I literally just put it right on. I didn't really want to add anything else to it. I just wanted to keep it nice and simple and just have that paper, but of course you can do whatever you want. And then the second step here, which is easy, is decide pages you want and create. Since you're customizing this to your lifestyle and what you need, then this is what you can do, is plan what you want. So for me, the first thing I want, the first page, I have a daily schedule. So I've set my daily schedule from 6 to 10 o'clock p.m. And you can use a label maker to make this prettier as well, of course. I've just used everything handwritten. And for this page, since I'm doing it every day, I actually put this in permanent marker, so then I don't have to make the lines over and over. I just wipe it away and it's really easy. And then my next page, I set some annual goals, like what I really want to accomplish within this year. I picked like 5 categories I wanted to focus on. And then my next page, I have important dates. So I set up, you can see there's 2021 and 2022 here. And so what I've just done is things that are coming up, deadlines, things I gotta pay in a certain month every year, my yearly physical, all those type of things. I put that in there, and I also put 2022, the next year, to make sure I can keep track of things coming up. And so when next year rolls around, I'm just gonna keep the 2022 everything on there, and I'm just gonna change the top where it says 2021 to 2023 so that I can just redo that again. And then here's also my monthly goals again. So these are essentially what I want to accomplish, like 1 to 3 things I want to accomplish each month. So I've only done 4 months of this at a time because, you know, it's kind of hard to figure out what you're gonna do every month. But the rest of the next page is my quarterly goal. So I've divided this page into 4 quadrants and kind of have goals to have by the end of each quadrant. So I'm starting in January, but you can literally do this any time of year, and you can make quarterly goals if you want. Then I have my monthly to-do list, so just little tasks I have to do, you know, like pay this bill, or get this registration done, or do this, or take out this garbage, or whatever. Like, these are my monthly things that I gotta do, so to keep track of that. So I put these in categories as well to help me focus and see what I need to do. And then also the next part, then I have like a weekly to-do list. So this is like what I need to do in a weekly study, like little things that I wouldn't put on my monthly to-do, but big ones that I need to get all done is part of this. And I also have these in different categories. And then my last little section I have is a weekly schedule. So I've kind of set this up to have Monday to Saturday, Sunday. I always start my week on Monday. I put like 3 of my top priorities there, and then 3 gratitude or what went wells, and I split up Saturday and Sunday because I don't have as much to do on the weekends as I do in the week. And so this is optional as well, so if you want, you can go ahead and create like a 12-month calendar. I bought this little book from Dollar Tree, so I already had this, so I'm going to utilize this, and I like to kind of see what things are within the month, and at the end of the year I will throw this away. So of course you can add this to your planner, but yeah, that's essentially how you make the perfect planner for yourself. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that was helpful, and honestly, I'd love to see if you want to make your own planner, because again, this is just, nothing's gonna beat creating your own planner with everything that you need. And what I love about it, it's nice and slim, it's really environmentally friendly, and I literally will never need a planner again. Everything is set up for me, and it's gonna be really easy to add things on as I go along. So I hope this was helpful. If you make one, or if you enjoyed this video, please comment below on your thoughts of this idea. Till next time, bye-bye.